This homemade booster works better than expensive store-bought fertilizers, and your Christmas cactus will bloom all season long, or even longer. It will reward you with fast, vigorous growth. This plant thrives with gentle, natural care and responds beautifully to mild homemade feeds. To make the mixture, use 1 tablespoon of water left after cooking rice. Add 1 teaspoon of coffee grounds to gently acidify the soil and supply magnesium. Pour in 1 teaspoon of milk for calcium. Then add 1 teaspoon of honey, which brings a bit of natural microflora. Top it all with 1 cup of lukewarm water and mix well. Let it sit for 10 minutes so the grounds can settle. Strain the liquid to keep it clean and gentle for the roots. Water your Christmas cactus once a week with a small amount, directing the stream along the edge of the pot. This mix hydrates, nourishes, boosts blooming, and strengthens each segment. After just a few days, you'll notice new stems, deeper green color, and fuller, healthier flowers.